Hey guys, it's me, Simran. How are you all? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you some key features of the ProMovie app and also show you how you can use this amazing app to create some great quality videos. Now, why do we use a third-party app? Well, so that you can lock in some settings and thus you can make the video look the way you want it to look and not how your camera wants it to look like. So without wasting any time, let's quickly dive into the video. This is what the ProMovie interface looks like. On tapping on the top left corner, you can adjust the layout of the screen. You can switch between full screen to smaller screen with editing options displayed on the side. When you click on the settings icon, you get these options. First one is camera. You can switch between back and front camera. The hand icon indicates stabilization. This helps you to stabilize your video and can only be used on the back camera. Then you have flash to add more light on your subject. We can also adjust the brightness of the screen. Then we have overlay. With this we can choose to have grids, which is useful when composing using the rule of thirds or trying to keep your subject in symmetry. Then there's guide to help you stay in set ratio frame and levels to keep your video leveled at all times. Next we have transform, where we can either flip or rotate our video. Clicking on the square icon below the settings, we get this window. First one is aspect ratio here. There is 16:9 and 4:3. 16:9 is a more widescreen aspect ratio and gives you more landscape dynamic view. Whereas 4:3 is more of a full screen aspect ratio and allows you to have more intimate portraits. Then for resolution, we have resolutions ranging from 720p to 4K. However, it is recommended to film at 1080p as it gives you a lot of options to play around with your frame rate. Now at this setting, you could shoot 60 frame per second or shoot at 120 frame per second and have a smooth slow-mo in post-production editing. A good quality video will also be a bigger file, so you can choose between max or higher depending on your content and duration of your video. Then there's a microphone icon which helps you choose your audio quality. You could either use your phone's microphone or attach an external mic. When recording at 44.1 kHz, you can capture frequencies up to 22 kHz, whereas recording at 48 kHz will get you frequencies up to 24 kHz. For now, we'll just stick to 48 kHz. The last option is audio format. We have AAC, that is the advanced audio coding, and we have PCM, which is the pulse code modulation. The difference between the two is that PCM just takes larger space as compared to AAC. So today we'll just pick AAC. On the bottom left corner, you have the play icon. When you click on this, you can access all your previous saved files and even download it in your phone for post-production editing. On top, there's the pitch bar for your audio, and on bottom, we have the rest of the setting options. As you can see, these numbers change as you move your camera. Shutter and ISO helps you to adjust the exposure. If you increase the shutter speed, the subject will look more intense, whereas if you reduce it, you get a more dreamy look. Then we have the ISO. Reducing the ISO will make your video dark, whereas increasing it will make it bright. In low light areas, keep your ISO high, but also make sure to keep a check on it as it can make your video very noisy. In a well lit area, it is recommended you keep your ISO levels low. Under white balance adjustment, we have some presets that can be used, or we can manually set it as per our requirement. I'm just going to keep it at automatic, or as you say, auto white balance for now. We can change the focus and zoom in and out of our subject as per needed. The square helps you to set and lock on exposure, while the circle helps you to fix on the focus. You can lock and unlock these as and when needed. And that brings us to the end of this video. I would recommend you guys to get this app, play around with it. It might seem a bit overwhelming in the beginning, but just keep practicing and you will soon master the skill. It's just for $4 and you can really level up your filming capabilities and make the most out of your smartphone cameras. Now, who wouldn't love to do that, right? That's it. I'm going to end my video right here. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, you guys take care and keep smiling. Bye.